Hi everyone, welcome to TECH.REHAAN. I am here with a new trick. Today we'll discuss about advanced filter option. Come on, let's move. So friends, I have this table where I want to filter the cells which are above 3000. Use a short key Alt D F to apply the filter. Drop down, go to number of filters greater than or equal to 3000. Enter it. See, numbers got filtered. Now if I have a duplicate record, it will get filtered as per the criteria. Now I need to filter only unique records. Then go to data tab. In that advanced, the list range is the total data. The criteria range from G1 to J2. Click on unique records only, then click OK. Wow, see, unique records got filtered. This is the advantage of using advanced filter. This is today's session. Hope you understood. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.